Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. An update this evening on the $1 billion Harmony Cove development project in Trelawney. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the government-owned Harmonization Limited has officially entered into an agreement with Tavistock Group for the build-out of what's dubbed a major integrated resort in Trelawney. In a statement, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the large-scale investment is expected to be a transformative project for the hospitality sector in Jamaica.
Indicated that the investment capital and the startup costs associated with the project will be approximately $1 billion. The joint venture partners are the government-owned Harmonization Limited and Tavistock Group. The joint venture agreement for the development of Harmony Cove has been significantly revised and updated to reflect a balance of responsibilities and interests between the government of Jamaica and global private investors who bring the established track record in large-scale resort development.
Dr. Clark says the agreement now includes a defined timeline with development milestones.
Tavistock Group and Harmonization Limited will begin work immediately through Harmony Cove Limited with appointment of leading global architectural, engineering, and construction management firms to finalize and implement the agreed development plan. We are pleased that the agreements have been updated to reflect the current environment while reaffirming the commitment to bring this landmark investment to Jamaica. The arrangement stands as evidence of the attractiveness of Jamaica as a destination for large-scale investment and development. Our hope is that this project and its structured framework for working with government will catalyze other comparable large-scale projects in the future.
Now, Harmony Cove is set to be a 2,325-acre oceanfront resort. The development will consist of a 26-story hotel with 1,000 rooms and a 32,000-square-foot full-service casino. Development for Harmony Cove lands has been on the agenda since at least 2008. To some company news now, Tropical Battery has announced its intention to graduate from the junior market to the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange before the end of this year. This is subject to regulatory approvals. The company says since listing on the junior market in September 2020, it has experienced substantial growth and is now surpassing the junior market's $500 million capital requirement. Tropical Battery says this strategic move to the main market reflects the company's commitment to continuing this trajectory of, quote, success and delivering enhanced value to shareholders. The company says its revenue has grown more than threefold from $1.8 billion to $5.7 billion projected for this fiscal year ending September. To the markets now, foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $157.43. The Canadian is going for $114.72. $202.03 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $175.06. The JSE index advanced by 1,045 points, while the junior market index rose by 61 points. Among the 52 winners were Iron Rock Insurance Company, ISP Finance Services, The Lab, JFP, and Jetcon Corporation. The 32 losers were led by Berger Paints Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, Jamaican Teas, and Palace Amusement Company. 22 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.